What's the meaning of brand name? Brand name. Brand name.
Brand name. Brand name. A brand name refers to the unique name, term, design, symbol, or other feature that identifies and distinguishes a particular product, service, or company from its competitors in the market. It is an important aspect of marketing and advertising, as it helps to build brand recognition and loyalty among consumers. A strong brand name should be memorable, easy to pronounce and spell, and relevant to the product or service it represents. Effective branding can improve a company's reputation, increase its customer base, and ultimately drive sales and revenue growth.